Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some Holman center panel partition pieces for high roof vans. Let's get into it. All right, this is the center panel partition kit right here. This is used actually with a couple of different vans, I believe. Usually those high roof vans, like our Ford Transit mid-roof behind us, which we're going to be using it for. It is boxed separately from the wing kit, which the wing kit again is going to be the brackets and hardware for attaching this to your particular van. Inside here we have our nice foam sheets. It's going to protect all of our panels, and this is going to be kind of a 3 center panel kit. Our first one is going to be pre-hinged, meaning it's panel 1 and 2 are going to be attached together like this by a hinge. So that makes it really easy for converting this part into a door. And you can see right here we do have a hole. We also have some holes up here for your latch kit. Now that does not come with this product. That is an optional upgrade to add the handle. Essentially, it also comes with a little rubber gasket right here to keep the noise down. So that is a separate purchase. One thing I want to pull out here is our Holman warranty. So Holman products, again, come with a 3-year warranty. And then we have our fully illustrated assembly guide for this as well. The instructions on how to install this in the van are going to come with that wing kit. So make sure you reference that. This is just going to be for the assembly. Usually what you do is you just attach all 3 panels together, then attach it to the wing kit and put it in the van. So we got panels 1 and 2. You can see right here we do have perforations. This is going to be that center door. And as I pull this out, you can see behind the driver here is going to be completely covered. There's no perforations in it. Completely protected from any moving components. And we're going to have a third piece right here. Again, we're going to have the perforation on top. Again, this is powder coated in that gray matte non-glare finish. So pretty simple kit right here. Again, this is going to be those 3 panels, if you will, and then the wing kit is a separate kit. There was some hardware included. It is taped here to a foam block. That's a little cool enhancement that Holman does to keep this from slipping out of the box, because if it's just loose in the box, you get a little tear in the corner, it can easily escape. So we do have really simple hardware. It's just going to be the hardware for essentially attaching these 3 panels together. So pretty simple. If you're interested in how this gets assembled and installed in a van, we're going to be installing this in the Ford Transit behind me. Again, you do need a wing kit. You can't just get these center panels and install it in the van. You need a wing kit along with it. Now, if you're looking for this partition or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.